Morning to everyone. My name is C.H. Devi. I am working as chemistry lecturer in Dr. Lankapalli Bollai College in Visakhapatnam. Today we will discuss carbonyl compounds in third semester. Now what is carbonyl compounds? In which a tetravalent carbon is directly bonded with oxygen through double bond, and third and fourth valency is bonded with any hydrogen or alkyl or aryl groups. Now carbonyl compounds is nothing but the combination of aldehydes and ketones. Now the general functional group of aldehyde is R C double bond O H, and the general functional group of ketone is R C double bond O I dash. In C double bond O is acting as carbonyl functional group. The carbonyl functional group containing compound is known as carbonyl compounds. Now let us discuss what is aldehydes. In carbonyl compound, at least bonded with hydrogen and fourth valence is bonded with R, where R is either hydrogen or alkyl or aryl group. Again, carbonyl carbon is directly bonded with at least one hydrogen, and another fourth valence is bonded with any hydrogen or alkyl or aryl group. Let us see that. For example, hydrogen is replaced to R, the compound is HC double bond O H, and one alkyl group and smallest alkyl group like methyl group is replaced with R, the compound structure is CH3 C double bond O H, and aryl group is replaced to R like C6H5, the compound structure is C6H5 C double bond O H. Now this all three compounds having two names. In first one H C double bond O H. Now this compound are having two names. One is IUPAC name and second one is common name. Let us discuss. This compound having only one carbon. One carbon is indicating meth. The primary suffix name of this compound is ane. That means because this carbon is single bonded with neighbor atoms, and secondary suffix name of this compound. This functional group is this compound having aldehyde functional group. This aldehyde functional group suffix name is al. The total IUPAC name of this compound is methanol. Compound is methanol. In common name of this compound is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. And another compound CH3 C double bond O H. Again this compound also having two names. One is IUPAC name, another one is common name. Let us see IUPAC name. This compound having two carbons. The two carbons indicating eth. The primary suffix name of this compound is ane, because this carbonyl carbon is single bonded with neighbor atoms. The secondary suffix name of this compound. This compound also having aldehyde functional group. The suffix name of aldehyde functional group is al. The total name is ethanol. The IUPAC name of this compound is ethanol. The common name of this compound is acetaldehyde. Now, aryl group is replaced to R, the compound C6H5 C double bond O H. Now again, this compound also having two names. Let us discuss IUPAC name. Now listen, in phenyl group is acting as substituent. Totally one carbon are there. That one carbon is indicating meth. The primary suffix name is ane, and also the secondary suffix name of this compound is al. But this compound also having one substituent. That substituent is known as phenyl. The compound is phenyl methanol. Phenyl methanol. Now substituent name is writing at first one, that is phenyl methanol. Now, this common name of this compound is benzaldehyde. Common name of this compound is benzaldehyde. In suffix name of aldehyde is -al. The suffix name of aldehyde is -al. That means the suffix name of aldehyde is writing down as alkynol. The suffix name of ketones is known as alkynone or alkynol. Now let us discuss another functional group, ketones. Another functional group of carbonyl compound is ketone. Now ketone, the general functional group of ketone is R C double bond O R dash. That means the carbonyl carbon is directly bonded with either same alkyl or aryl groups or different alkyl or aryl group. That means R dash is nothing but alkyl or aryl group. But R dash does not replace hydrogen, because one R is replaced to hydrogen, that ketone functional group is converted to aldehyde functional group. Put one methyl group is replaced to R and ethyl group is replaced to R dash. The compound is CH3 C double bond O C2 H5. Like R and R dash is replaced to same alkyl group. The compound is CH3 C double bond O CH3. One R is replaced to alkyl group and another R is replaced to one aryl group. The compound is CH3 C double bond O again C6H5. Now these three compounds having two names. One is IUPAC name and another one is common name. Now let us discuss IUPAC name of this compound. Now this compound having totally 4 carbons and 2, 3, 4. Now 4 carbons is indicating but. Now the primary suffix name of this compound is -ane, because this carbonyl group is directly bonded with single bond with another neighbor groups. Now secondary suffix name of this ketone is -on. The IUPAC name of this compound is butanone. Now common name of this compound. Common name of this compound also 2-butanone. The 2 indicating the position of the functional group. Or another name also, another common name of this compound is ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone. Now let us discuss another compound. Now this compound having 3 carbons. Let us see this compound having 3 carbons. The 3 carbons is indicating prop. The primary suffix name of this compound is -ane. And secondary suffix name of this compound is, ketone suffix name is -on. So -on. The IUPAC name of this compound is propanone. The common name of this compound is acetone. Or another common name is dimethyl ketone. Another common name of this compound is dimethyl ketone or acetone. Now another example, let us take this compound. In this compound also having 2. Now this discussed in previous classes aldehydes, and phenyl group is acting as substituent. Now 2 carbons are there. 2 carbons is indicating eth. And suffix name, primary suffix name is -ane. The second suffix name of this compound is -on, but the substituent name is phenyl. Now this compound name is phenyl methanone. Phenyl methanone. Or another IUPAC name of this compound is acetylphenone or acetylbenzene. Acetylbenzene. Now common name of this compound. Now common name of this compound is acetylbenzene or acetophenone. Acetophenone. The common name of this compound is acetophenone and IUPAC name of this compound is acetylbenzene or phenylmethanol. Now the important topics of carbonyl compounds in our syllabus. Important topics of carbonyl compounds in our syllabus is, in first one is identification test. Identification tests of carbonyl compounds, and second topic is preparation methods of carbonyl compounds, and third topic is properties of carbonyl compounds like physical properties and chemical properties. That means properties of carbonyl compounds. Again, this properties is divided four types. Chemical properties are there. In first one, nucleophilic addition reactions of carbonyl compounds and base catalyzed reactions of carbonyl compounds and oxidation of carbonyl compounds and reduction of carbonyl compounds. Important topics of carbonyl compound is, first one, identification test, preparations, nucleophilic addition reactions, base catalyzed reaction and oxidation and reduction of carbonyl compounds. In our syllabus, totally 4 identification tests are available. First one, 2,4-DNPH test, Tollens test, Schiff's reagent and Fehling's reagent test. And preparations of carbonyl compounds from acid chlorides, from Umplav named reaction, that means from 1,3-diethane, and from nitrates and from carboxylic acids. And these 4 are properties of carbonyl compounds. And nucleophilic addition reactions. Reaction with sodium bisulfate, reaction with hydrogen cyanide, and reaction with Grignard reagent, and reaction with hydroxylamine and phenyldiamine and 2,4-dinitrophenyl and from alcohols. And base catalyzed reactions are named reactions. That named reactions is very important in our syllabus. And first one, aldol reaction, condensation and benzoin, Cannizzaro reaction, Perkin, Hallerform and Leuwenhoek reactions. In aldol and benzoin, Cannizzaro, Perkin mechanism also very important. And only one oxidation reactions is available in our syllabus, that is Baeyer-Wilger oxidation reactions. And reduction, totally 5 reduction reactions is available. One is Clemmensen reduction, Wolf-Kintzer reduction and Mirwin-Ponderow-Waldy, that means MPV reduction, and lithium aluminium hydride and sodium borohydride reaction. These are important topics of in our carbonyl compounds. Thank you for listening in patiently.